If you need to reply to a discussion board by posting a video, this is how you'll do it. Go to reply as usual, and then find the Canvas Studio plugin, which would be right here under this plug icon. And what you'll do then is click on that and select Studio. If you don't see Studio as one of your options right there, then you would go to View All and type Studio. And this would be a one-time deal. Normally, Studio will keep popping up after that. But the first time you make a video, you're going to see a library that has no videos in it yet. So you can use the create option to either use Studio Capture, follow your instructor's instructions. Studio Capture would be just for video of yourself. So great for maybe an introduction, but somewhere where you're not really sharing what's on your screen. And if I choose that option, this is what it looks like. I will appear on the screen speaking, and once I'm done, or actually when I start recording, I will press that option there for start recording, speak, do what I need to do, finish. I can name my file, so and then save media. Then that video is going to appear in my library, and if that's what I want to share in the discussion board, because maybe the instructor is asking me to introduce myself, I will choose embed media and post right there. And then everyone would see my introduction.